Another great phrase to help learn Samoan pronouns is the phrase ofea, o, fill in the blank, and then iai, which basically means where is she at, where are we at, where are they at. Just depends on the pronouns that you're using. Ofea, a lot of times you'll just hear people say fea, which means where. O is a present tense marker that's short for olo'o. Remember, if you add olo'o to any verb, it's going to make the verb present tense and happening right now. Like tomoe, olo'o tomoe. Savali, olo'o savali. Iai, olo'o iai. But in this phrase, olo'o is usually just shortened to o. Now, this is where you put your pronoun. These are the pronouns that go before the verb. In Samoan, there's pronouns that go before the verb, and then the same pronouns are stated a different way whenever you say them after the verb. But since we're going to use the pronouns that come before the verb, in this case, it's iai, we're going to use this first column right here to substitute the pronoun that we want. And iai just means to be or to exist. So you can practice your pronouns by just substituting who you're looking for in the blank. A common one that you hear is ofea o e iai. Ofea o e iai. But when a fluent speaker says it, they kind of slur it all together and you might miss some stuff. It'll sound like ofea o iai. Ofea o kako iai. Ofea o lako iai. Just plug in the pronoun of who you're looking for. Now, if you want to change the tense to say, where were you? Then we just have to change the tense marker from o to a past tense marker like na or sa. Ofea sa e iai. Ofea sa e iai. As always, there's other ways to say it. Check out the different phrase structures at BosSpeakerPages.net.